You might think disputing something online will fix your credit fast, but it could actually destroy your chances of ever getting it corrected and cost you the legal rights you didn't even know you were giving up. Before you click that dispute button, you need to hear this. Today we're getting into a serious topic: why you should never dispute certain things online, and how it could actually make your situation worse. Make sure you stay till the end because I'm going to show you the smarter, safer way to handle disputes so you don't accidentally give up your rights. Why online disputes are risky. Disputing online looks easy. A few clicks, pick a reason, and you're done. But here's the catch. You're usually forced to pick from limited, generic reasons. You lose the chance to fully explain the real error in your own words. Worst of all, and this is key, you often waive important legal rights hidden in the online terms and conditions. You could be giving up your right to sue later under the Fair Credit Reporting Act if the credit bureau or creditor doesn't fix the mistake properly. That's a huge risk, and it's why you need to be careful. 2. Items you should never dispute online. Now let's talk about specific things you should absolutely not dispute online. 1. Charged off accounts. These are major derogatory items. You need full verification like statements, agreements, stuff you can't request properly online. 2. Collection accounts. Especially with debt buyers, they have to prove they own the debt and that the balance is accurate, but online disputes skip all that. Bankruptcies. Errors here require sending real evidence like court documents. Online disputes almost guarantee an automated denial. 4. Repossessions and foreclosures. Big-ticket events need real investigations, not computer bots checking a box. 5. Identity theft accounts. If fraud is involved, you should file written disputes under FCRA Section 605B with police reports or affidavits. Online disputing skips these important protections. Remember, stay with me. Toward the end, I'll show you exactly how to dispute the smart way. Why the bureaus want you to dispute online. Ever wonder why credit bureaus make online disputes so quick and easy? Here's why. Automation. Computers process your dispute, not real people. Speed. Faster closure rates for them, even if your dispute isn't really investigated. Limiting lawsuits. Online disputing often forces you into arbitration, meaning you can't easily sue them later. It's all designed to protect them, not you. The faster they close your case, the less liability they face. That's why for serious negative items, you should never use the online portal. 4. How to dispute the right way. Alright, if you've stayed this far, here's the part that really matters. Write a formal letter. Don't just click boxes. Send it certified mail with return receipt requested. Attach proof, like your ID, proof of address, billing statements, police reports if needed. Demand a full reinvestigation under your FCRA rights. Keep a copy of everything you send for your records. When you dispute this way, you keep your full legal rights intact, and if they don't correct the mistake, you can take further action, including lawsuits if necessary. So if you learned something today, smash that like button. It really helps more people find these important tips. And if you stayed till the end, big shout out to you, because now you know how to protect your credit the smart way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay sharp out there.